Suzanne, you just received documents about what happened here.
They show the 30-year-old was alone with the baby for 1 hour and 15 minutes while the child's mother was at a doctor's appointment in Coloma. He told the judge he didn't do it, though. That he wasn't guilty of any of the charges. Prosecutors charged him with murder and child abuse. Carter's family was in the courtroom. They held up a picture of the baby as the judge told Beshires that this was a very serious offense. Police said Carter's mother was at an appointment until shortly before 11 on Friday. When she came back to the car, she said the 8-month-old was sleeping. After driving around, she checked on her son, stopped at a sandwich shop, gas station, then noticed her son was cold and not breathing. That's when the two took the child to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. A family friend was in court this afternoon.
I hope he gets what he deserves.
And what is that?
Prison time, and hopefully pays dearly in prison while he's in there. Because that little baby, 8 months old, ain't got no life no more. He's gone. He was taken away from all of us, and it's wrong.
Thank you, Lila.
Yes.
Beshires told the judge that he plans to hire an attorney because, quote, these charges are pretty serious. In court, an attorney talked about his past, which includes several misdemeanors, felonies, and also a case of child abuse. We'll tell you about that tonight at 6. In Berrien County, Suzanne Spencer, WSBT 22 News.
Suzanne, he had some strong words in court this afternoon.
Jennifer, using expletives, Beshires told the judge he wasn't guilty of any of the charges against him. Today, the Berrien County prosecutor charged him with murder and child abuse. But that isn't enough for the family of Carter Donovan, who held up a picture of the baby boy during the whole hearing. An 8-month-old who loved to smile, but the pain so raw for family and friends.
A little 8-month-old baby is gone because of that guy, and he wants to sit there and deny it. Oh, no.
30-year-old Brandon Beshires said he didn't do it, but Carter's mother, Autumn H. said he was the only one alone with the child before he died.
He lied. He downright lied, and I'm mad about it, and I'm frustrated.
Friday, 9:30 a.m., the boy's mother went to an appointment in Coloma. For an hour and 15 minutes, police said the child was alone with Beshires. When she returned, she thought the child was sleeping. Then court documents said she noticed he was cold and not breathing.
Cases involving children are always the most traumatic, even for law enforcement, and I can tell you in my 15 years, this is the most traumatic case that I've seen of any kind.
A skull fracture so severe that it looked like a crushing injury. Areas on his head consistent with a fall. It looked like someone slammed his head more than once on a hard surface, the medical examiner said.
It's a very serious offense, and this child suffered horrible injuries.
Nothing could take away the pain.
I hope he gets what he deserves.
And what is that?
Prison time, and hopefully pays dearly in prison while he's in there. Because that little baby, 8 months old, ain't got no life no more. He's gone. He was taken away from all of us, and it's wrong.
Thank you, Lila.
Yes.
In court, an attorney said that Beshires had 5 previous felonies, 9 misdemeanors, one of those a child abuse case. As a result of that case, we're told that 2 kids were removed from his care. Today, his bond was set at $1 million. Live outside the Berrien County Courthouse, Suzanne Spencer, WSBT 22 News.